Hey learners, welcome back. Today we are going to study about the cell theory timeline. Cell theory is one of the most fundamental theories in biology. It has severe consequences in all fields related to biology. So today in this video lesson we are going to study about the cell theory timeline, how different events and different discoveries helped Schwann and Sheldon to come up with the cell theory. In 1625, first microscope was invented by Galileo. In 1665, Robert Hooke he discovered cell. He was actually studying the section of a cork under his self-made microscope, and he observed small honeycomb-like compartments which he called cell. He described a cell as the space which is bounded by a thick cell wall. In 1670, Leeuwenhoek observed living things in a drop of pond water for the first time using his single lens microscope. This was the microscope that was used by the Leeuwenhoek, and this point here, it was the lens which was used to magnify the small organisms present in the pond water, and this is the image. These were the small organisms. He named these organisms as animalcules, which means that miniature animals or small animals. Then in 1804, Carl Rudolph he proves that cell is independent and separated from the other cells by a cell wall. In 1805, Florence he argued that living things they are made up of cells. In 1809, Jean-Baptiste de Lamarck he described that nobody can have a life if its constituent parts are not cellular tissue or are not formed by cellular tissues. Means the cell should be present if a person is living. Then 1831, the presence of nucleus in the cell was reported by Robert Brown. This discovery overrides the idea of Hooke that a cell is a space. So it was established that cell is not a space. Then finally in 1839, cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. They both working independently came out with the cell theory. They discovered that a cell is made up of three basic parts: nucleus, fluid surrounding the nucleus, and the outer covering. Schwann established the idea that animal tissues they consist of cells, while Sheldon established the idea that plant tissues they are consist of cells. So in this way they came up with a combined idea which we know now that is called cell theory. So that was all about the timeline for the development of cell theory. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.